I said at this time, this is a taxi driver, maybe, you know, because mostly of the taxi driver are married already, but maybe they look at me like, something like they want to bring me far away, or they want to bring me to the mountain, or they want to bring me, I was ready for that. I was really excited, I was ready. You know what happened? The taxi driver told me, Miss Ramsey, where are you going? He was old already, so I don't have any idea to do something like that because he was old already. I said, huh? He said, where are you going? It's up to you. Oh, he was angry. Nang waiting, naghalit. Sabi ba naman sa akin, ba, huwag ka magbibiro na ganyan, no? Uy, yung pangit at ang tanda pa, Diyos ko naman, huwag naman yan ibigay sa akin na Santo Niño, no? Ngayon, di ganito. Sabi ko, saan tayo? Bahala ka kung saan ako dalhin. Hindi pwedeng ganito.